Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing the something went wrong error or message on the bunq app, don't worry, this is usually a temporary issue. Start by checking your internet connection. Bunq is fully online, so even a weak or unstable connection can trigger this error. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it improves. Then completely close the bunq app. Do not just minimize it. Force close it from your recent apps. Wait for a few while, then reopen it and check it again. Restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches that may be affecting the app. Now go to the App Store or the Play Store, search for bunq, and then check if there is an update available. Installing the latest version often fixes temporary or unexpected errors. Then, if the problem continues, go ahead and long press on the bunq app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, head over to the App Store once again, search for the app, and reinstall it again. This removes corrupted files and refreshes the system. If none of these steps work, it could be a temporary server issue, so wait a few minutes or a few hours, then try again. That's how to fix the bunq something went wrong issues or error. Subscribe for more quick fixes.